Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a lovely day. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I have got some Feel Unique Pick and Mix samples to share with you, and this is how they arrive. So if you're new to the Pick and Mix sample service, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But as always, if you want to skip forward to seeing what I chose, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. So Feel Unique is a massive online beauty store. Now they ship internationally, but unfortunately they only offer their sample services within the UK. But I have read somewhere about a month or two ago that they might be expanding out of the UK in the near future. So as soon as I hear, I will let you know, because I think that would be brilliant, because I know there's so many of you that would absolutely love to be able to access these sample services because they're so good. They are really, really good. So the two sample services that they offer are the one that I've got here, which is their Pick and Mix. Choose up to 5 samples once a month for free, and you pay £3.95 shipping. So once you receive your products, that £3.95 shipping then gets credited back onto your Feel Unique account so that you can use it against any beauty purchases off their website. Unfortunately, you're not allowed to use it off their Pick and Mix samples or their beauty kit. There's no particular date that they release their samples. They just release them randomly. Sometimes they don't release any new ones for a couple of weeks or so, but it's definitely worth taking a look now and again, because sometimes they release amazing samples. And as soon as I find out, I will let you know on my Instagram page and my Facebook page, which are both Diaryofabeautygeek, and sometimes they sell out pretty fast. So yeah, any good ones I will let you know. In the past, we've had like NARS products where we've had like NARS Laguna Bronzer, we've had the Orgasm Blush, we've had the Climax Mascara. So well worth dipping in now and again to take a look. This is not a subscription. You just go onto their website. You need to create an account. Once you've done that, then you're able to choose your samples. Now you're only able to do it once a month. So say for instance, you order on the 1st of October, you will not be able to order until the 1st or 2nd of November. Now the other sample service they offer is the Beauty Kit. Similar concept where you choose 5 products a month, but the products are generally bigger in size, and it costs £12.95. Now I have done a recent order, so you'll be seeing me unboxing that on my channel very soon. But all links and everything related to both the sample services I'll pop down below in my description. So underneath this video you will see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that will bring up my description and everything would be listed down there. So let's go on to showing you what I chose for this month. And these are all the things that I've chosen. They're all perfumes. All 5 items are perfumes. So the first perfume is by Marc Jacobs. This is 1.2 mils. And this is Perfect. A little spray there. It says a bright daffodil and juicy rhubarb accord meet soft cashmeran and comforting notes of almond milk, dazzling and unexpected, perfect just like you. I do like some of Marc Jacobs perfumes, not all of them, but I do like quite a few of them. So I thought, oh, I'm gonna have to try it. I haven't smelt this before. Woo! I just realised I'm gonna be stinking this room out. That is quite sweet smell. What's this smell? It reminds me of Chanel Entendre, which is one of my favourite perfumes, but a sweeter version. Yeah, it does. It reminds me of that perfume. Oh, that is nice. Initially, when I sprayed it, I thought, ooh, that is too sweet. I don't like sweety perfumes, but it's not. It's growing on me. So that's the first perfume I chose. Next is Gucci Bloom, and this is Profumo di Fiori. It's a little bit different to the other Gucci Blooms, I'm assuming. I don't know. Yeah, In Bloom. Is it called In Bloom then? I'm not too sure. But that's what it looks like there. Has it got any information? No, it's not. It's not like the Marc Jacobs. I like that, where it tells you what's in it and what's it smell of. No, it doesn't say anything. No. Okay then, where am I going to spray this? So the problem I've got now is if I've got a perfume here, which I absolutely hate, I'm just going to have a shower afterwards, aren't I? Or else I'll be smelling of it. Right, I know it's not ideal. I'm just going to spray my inner corner of my arm. That smells like daisies or dandelions or something like that, like wildflowers. I quite like that. I'm going to have to try it on my skin because putting perfume on your clothing is not great, but no, it's quite nice. It is nice. It just smells like sort of wildflowers to me. Then we've got my favourite ever perfume, and I had to get this even though I've got one there and I've got a few of these little ones lying around. It's YSL Yves Saint Laurent Libre. Oh my word, it is my favourite perfume ever. ever, ever, ever. I had it as a Christmas present last year or the year before. I can't remember, whenever it came out now. I absolutely love it. So now and again, I get these. Really disappointed with that. It was only, what is it anyway? It's supposed to be 1.2 mils, unless that is 1.2 mils. Maybe these carry 2 mils, maybe. But look, it's only half full. Never mind. Maybe it is. Maybe they do fill 2 mils, and yeah. Anyway, I collect these little ones and I put them in my handbag. So night out, going somewhere, and I just want to top up my perfume. Really handy. So I'm not going to spray that, I'm going to save it. Iconic orange blossom flower from Morocco, a luminous and sensual white flower twisted by the lavender of France, an ambiguous flower often considered as masculine, bringing boldness, fresh and texture. A fragrance as a shout of freedom, the freedom to live everything to the fullest. Then I got something in an envelope. What have I ordered here? I can't remember now. Oh, Giorgio Amani. And this is My Way. So this is a new perfume by Giorgio Armani. Bergamot and orange blossom, tubular rose and jasmine, cedarwood, white musk and vanilla. This is 1.2, slightly a bit more than the Libra. Okay, let's try on this hand then. It's not horrible. I smell the oranges and I absolutely adore orange, but do I really want strong orange perfume? Shower gel, yeah, but perfume, I'm not sure. It's okay. If someone walked past me, I wouldn't think, oh, what do they smell of? Not that I do anyway. I never do that. I never do that. I don't know. I'm on the fence, on the fence. My Way invites you to seek out meaningful, authentic ways of connecting with others to find the truest versions of yourself in this QR code. That's my least favourite at the moment. Yeah. Okay, lastly, I've got a Valentino, and this is Voce Viva. I think that's how you say it. Voce Viva, the new fragrance. It's got Lady Gaga on there. And there you go. Yeah, we got half a bottle. 1 ml or 1.2. A couture and feminine bouquet of white flowers that gives Italian tradition a contemporary edge. Instead of my clothing, I'll put it in my skin here. Oh, I like that one. Oh, that's different. Oh, that is different. It smells, it is quite a sweet perfume. Getting overwhelmed with it. Quite a very light sort of summery scent, I would say. And that's not saying much because I'm not that good at describing scents, but yeah, a type of scent I would wear in the summer maybe, I don't know. Discover the new feminine fragrance from Valentino Beauty. Just like a voice, Voce Viva is personal, intimate and leaves a trace. My voice, my strength. Oh, I really like the Marc Jacobs one now that it's died down as well. I was just overwhelmed with scents. So we've got a Valentino, and what's it called again? Voce Vita by Valentino, and I quite like that. I do like that. We got Perfect by Marc Jacobs, which is nice. I wouldn't say 10 out of 10, but it is a nice one. We've got Giorgio Armani, My Way, which I'm not that keen on. We've got a Gucci Bloom, but a different type of Gucci Bloom. It could be in bloom. And that's quite nice actually, just smells like wildflowers. It's lovely. And then we've got my all-time favourite perfume, oops, and it's just gone on the floor, Libra by YSL. So yeah, so I thought do something a little bit different this month. I normally do this a couple of times a year, just choose all 5 perfume samples, because it just gives me a good idea, especially coming up to Christmas when my husband asks me what would I like. It's always usually a perfume. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching. Please let me know your thoughts about the pick and mix, and look out for the beauty kit unboxing, which will be unboxing very soon on my channel. So all your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, so please comment down below. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.